What is wrong with our current house? I thought our goal was to vanquish this dragon.
Yeah, well, I'm not sleeping on the fucking ground until we do.
We're not all built like you Spartans, bro. If you sent us into the woods at 7 years old, we'd just get eaten by a fucking bear. Have you ever heard of bear? They sound scary as hell.
The fuck was that autistic shit?
Yeah, you just destroyed my eardrum, man.
I thought it was a fierce war cry.
I bet you would, with your Liver King acting ass.
I sleep on fucking wooden planks, right on the fucking ground.
Listening to Joe's thoughts is quite terrifying. It's just screaming chimps and grizzly bears.
Honestly, that's exactly what I expected.